In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Lucidchart documents. Whether you're looking to share your designs with colleagues or integrate them into other documents, exporting your work from Lucidchart is a straightforward process. We'll guide you through each step to ensure a smooth experience. So let's dive in and get started. First, head over to Lucid's official website by typing lucid.co into your browser's address bar and hitting enter. Once the page has loaded, you'll find the Login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed to the login page. If you're a registered user, you will need to enter your credentials. For a quicker login, you can choose to sign in using Google, which some find more convenient. Click on the Sign Up with Google option if you decide to take this route. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to access your documents. Simply locate and click on Open from the main dashboard. This action will present you with a list of all your available diagrams. Select the one you wish to export, and it will open in a new editing window. Once your document is open and you're ready to export it, navigate your cursor to the menu bar at the top of the page. Here you'll see a File option. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. Among the various export options, select Microsoft Word. This format is particularly useful if you plan on incorporating your diagrams into a text-heavy document. Before proceeding, you may need to install the Lucidchart add-on for Microsoft Word, which will facilitate the integration. Click on Install for Microsoft Word if prompted. This process is usually quick and straightforward, so you shouldn't have to wait long before continuing. Next, head to the Lucidchart Marketplace by navigating the menu and selecting Manage Connections. This tool lets you handle integrations with other software, ensuring everything works seamlessly. From this section, you'll need to select Connect to Lucidchart to establish the necessary links between your Lucidchart account and Microsoft Word. As an alternative to exporting directly into a Word document, you also have the option to export your Lucidchart designs as a PDF image. This can then be added manually to your Word document, maintaining the quality of your diagrams. There you have it, a simple, step-by-step guide to exporting your Lucidchart documents. By following these instructions, you can easily integrate your designs into other projects, enhancing collaboration and presentation.